Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today then we are going to talk about guys auto rotate screen. How can we on and how can we use in Infinix phone device? So friends, how can we on guys auto rotate screen in our Infinix phone device? Friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in the Infinix phone. So then you will have to click on guys your phone display and brightness. Then guys you can see guys this type of setting. Friends, scroll it friends, you can see auto rotate screen. We will on from here. After on guys, how can we use it? Suppose guys you are using any app, example for guys I will on guys this Play Store, and friends you want to rotate your screen. So friends you can rotate, and friends you can use like that your screen rotate setting. So friends you can see your screen will rotate automatic like that. So I friends you understood how to on auto rotate screen and how can we use it in Infinix phone device. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.